welcome. Today I'm going to play Pet Simulator X again. I've been better. I got much good pets now. See, have been mythical Galaxy Fox. It's too OP, man. So look at my pets. Look at that masterpiece. So let's go. So what I'm doing today is fusing, right? And other stuff. So the new update is very great. It added loot bags and the bank. Well, which I don't really have enough gems. You actually need 7.5 million gems to unlock that. So look at my gems. 362. Well, keep grinding and stuff, because we're gonna do some experimenting. Well, whoa! That's an achievement. One of my favorite things to do, experimenting. So, look at my pets. Can't stop looking at my pets. These are two. Oh man, it glitched. This always happens, Kyle. Sorry. Okay, I think I have enough tech coins. Wait, I don't think I have enough. I need 62 million first, so I can buy one egg. Yeah. Well, I'll show that egg later. Also, my username is BonoGround0. See, that's me. That's me. See, if you want any of my pets, well, add me at Roblox. So we have been code now. If you know me, and if you found me on your game, and if you watch my videos, then just type the code. That one. So there, let's go. Let's go and keep grinding. Oh, okay. I think it's almost. Let's go. Wait. Oh, there it is. Oh, Hulu. Let's see one. Cannot text him. What? What? Dude, this. Are you kidding me? Yes, dude. What the? What? What is this? Oh, you again. You only have a cat. Gimme that. Gimme what? Gimme. Lol. He just flexed. Oh my god. Let's go and oh, there you go. I think I almost have. There you go. Now, if you were thinking this is the egg, if you were thinking the egg I'm talking about is this egg, wow, how did you guess that? That's hatch. Because I have great luck on this egg. What? How? I got a single glib with the alien. Just grinding, okay? So let's keep grinding. Let's go. Wow. I'm too lucky on this day. This is the day that I got these two mythicals. It's too OP. Wow. Tote bags. Oh, I think that's enough. So, I'm doing something different. I'm gonna open up weak eggs, and I'm gonna try to get the mechanical spider. I know it's weak, but I'll try to do it. So I'm gonna get fusing with this egg. I guess my luck is bad today. I keep getting ducks. Why do you have to do this to me? So there. It's only ducks I get. It's only ducks I get, man. Why? So it's kind of dark. I don't know why. That always happens anyway. This egg is called bad luck. Don't know why. It's bad luck. Look that. Oh, finally in mining mode. That's still bad though. Give me the legendary enchant. What? Wait. What? There's 72%, man. Why will you do this to me? Oh, finally, after opening such eggs, it's gotten sinker crocodile. Okay, so let's go to fusing. So, as you know, I just hatched a lot of new pets. Look at those. So we're gonna do some experiments. So let's try fusing for the magicians. So let's go. I'm sorry. So there, I only have a only have three, so I'll do it anyway. Oh, that's amazing. It's got the same. Oh, how about three of these? What do I get? I just got the blurred bear back. So, so let's keep using till we get a good pet. Oh my god. I didn't realize that I had the rainbow tunnels. Use this. Amazing. Oops, I'm sorry, got. Oh, did I just got a blue but the alien? Useless. I actually got this new dark matter for a lot of hard work. So let's go. Oh, I'm gonna fuse this thing with a noob give it to me. I mean a power player. Yeah, yeah. I'm doing random fusion. Wow. Okay. So I'm trying to complete the pet sock collection. So I'm gonna do this. Where is it? Where is it? Dark Tech. So let's make all of the rainbow pets we get. Dark matter. So let's go. Also, my outdoor dark matter is only 2 days, so I can get it. Now, convert. Okay, and convert. Let's keep dark matter. It's gonna be amazing. But I'm not gonna make this dark matter yet. Well, wait, did you see? Who's this? I think that says combat, so I decline. So, let's go. Let's keep fusing and stuff. Oh wait, I gotta keep hatching first. So now I'm not fusing now. I'm gonna try to get the 836 mythical over there with good luck. Please like and subscribe to give me very good luck. Let's keep hatching. What do I get now? Oh. You know what? I'm gonna change the topic. I'm not hatching now. I hate that egg. Look at the percentage. 98%. So look at my pet collection though. What's 9%? Oh, we need 90 pets just to equip 8 pets. You're gonna be kidding me, man. You know, wait. think Pet Simulator is trying to scam me right now. So I'm sorry I can't buy Robux. Yeah. What? Are you serious? Open 3 eggs for 800 Robux. Seriously, man? Seriously? Okay, let's go to... I hope there's gonna be a new world. So let's play. Try hatching. Let's... Oh wait, how about we do the offering now? So let's go. What? Oh my. Wait, I'm just copy and paste. Just copy and paste. There you go. Oh. Oh no, not now. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste. Then, wait, I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna, not gonna paste cam for a little bit. Okay, that's because the screen will be blacked out. So, trading digit mascot for 250k gems. So actually, look. Wait, look at this, okay? Just look. So here, look. So earlier, I I saw on Google that it was worth 250k gems. Oh, what's this? Hmm. Yeah, that's really rare. So, so I just know that it's worth 250k gems. There, face comes back. Wait, now I just need to select all of it. Select all, copy. Let's spam in the chat. Let's spam. It's got high value, so 250k gems maybe enough. So now gonna go to a let's go. This too fast, okay. No, why? No one in this server stuck me. What? Wow, that's a really good pet. That in Rainbow Star Circle. Also, I'm an Undertale fan, and so is this guy. Yeah. If you play that game, yep, it's awesome. So daydreaming about it though. I don't think I can record perfectly at the computer. So how about here's a game. How about we assign that does matter customers? No, how about no, not doing that. Let's still have the question. Anyone going to buy it? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna head over to Trading Plaza. So I guess offering is good there. So is no one is offering in the normal time now. In the normal whole world. No, I don't think there's no offering in this game now. The Trading Plaza is a different game. I mean experience. See, a different experience. Let's go. Now, now this is our time to spam. Wait, are you serious? Oh, there you go. Time to spam. In 3, 2, One. Bam. Spam. Go on, spam. Oh wait. So the screen is gonna block us again, so I'm not gonna use them now. Spam. Ah yeah. Oh my god. Wait, what's that? Oh my god, it has a lot of big mascot. No way. What? They're all out of stock. How? Okay, so whoa. Can I buy? Keep spamming. Boom. Okay. Oh, I saw someone just saw. Oh my god. Yes. What? What's this? Okay. I'll keep spamming. So. Okay, let's keep spamming. What? Can I offer something? What? I'm sorry. Don't know what this guy's talking about. So, just reward me. There you go. 5,000 now. What? Oh, what? Does this guy wanna buy the big? What the hell? The this guy's flexing right now. Don't know what to do. What? Or is he gonna press ready or something? No, he's flexing. Just gonna flex back. Yeah, of course. Always wow. But single of them don't have any royalty, but I do have any royalty. No more spamming, okay? No more spamming. No more spamming, okay? So I'm not gonna. The screen is not gonna get blocked up now. So I'm not gonna open the chat. Yeah. I'm gonna try and risk something over here. I gotta do this. What? Try. I don't know what to say. Oh my god, I can't do that, man. Oh, giant press. I can't get over there. Why? Press can hear his camera. What? Really pay a lot of rubber just what? What? Whoa, 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 whoa! Look at this! What the heck? Look at that! Oh my god, I got a screenshot. What the hell? Look! Look at that! Whose huge cat is this? Wow! Wait, wait. Did I just found Digito? Is he the YouTube? No way. Whose pet is this? No way. James? Who are you? Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Look, look, look. So who is that? Look, look. What the hell? I can't believe what I just saw, okay? That's a lot of huge pumpkin cats. But he doesn't have a Pegasus. Cost lot. Huh, it actually costs a lot of money, okay? It's really, what? What? Buy me game. Dude, that's insane. How? Who's actually whose pets are these? What is this? He must have scammed somebody, right? Right? Yeah. How did he got a lot of these? Oh my god. I think I'm dreaming right now, okay? I can't react to that. What? What I just saw? Sorry, I will give you all my pet. Wow! Nothing for sale. For sale. What? No way. That guy has a lot of things. But wait, it's time to know. Whose pets are those? Power God? Oh, no, 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 no. You gotta add that. You gotta add. Wait, where is he? Where is he? No, 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 no. He gotta not. Oh my God, I did it. I think I finally did it. Oh my God. What? My God, man. I can't. No. No way. No way. No way, okay? Okay? Don't. Actually. Wait. Can't believe this. Can't believe this. Oh, what? What the hell? Why? Why is there random conspawn? You know what? I'm gonna fuse something. Oh my God! This is so. Oh what? What? Okay. Look, I can't believe what I just saw. Guys, I can't stop saying this because that's too OP. Did he leave? Please tell me he didn't leave. Oh no, he leaves. Oh man. So OP. Oh my God. Did I just saw a noob this? Or is that nothing? I'm so bad at this game. Literally. God. How did I just how? Literally, how did I see that? Oh, can't believe what I just saw. Please, is that guy in here? Oh man, can't believe. Haha, that's too OP. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is search Pet Simulator X YouTubers and online. And let's see if I can join them or something. Wait. The first YouTuber we're gonna search is of course Digital. So wait. Oh not waste. Is he online right now? Oh my god! Oh my god! I gotta join. No freak! What? Every time I search Digital, that always happens. Now next is Lazy Sly, which is Sly the Miner. Lazy Sly, aka Sly the Miner. Wait, see here. What? No, he's offline. There's actually him though. I joined his group. Don't have Rabak. I don't literally have Rabak. Why? So, the last one. This is the only person I know. The last person that we. Oh wait. No. If he joined this group. Wait. Where's actual LCLC group? Oh my god, there's a lot to look. No, that's not LCLC after all. Oops, that's nothing. Let's go. Where is it? What? He didn't actually join LCLC's group. Okay. Okay. Oh. god. Oh, is this him? There. This dark. Wait, this is the actual LCLC. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Oh, what? So, thank you guys for watching. So, if this video gets 10 likes, I'm gonna play Funky Friday. Yeah. So, please like and subscribe. Peace out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.